Stop scrolling when you're first $1,000 online. Forget shortcuts. Use this simple 3-step plan. No money, no experience, just consistency. Let's start. Step 1. Learn one skill: video editing, copywriting, thumbnail design. Choose one. Practice for 2 weeks. Make 3 sample projects. Open Fiverr and Upwork. Apply every day. Your first client changes everything. Step 2. Build one digital asset. Create Canva templates. Make a Notion planner. Or start a faceless YouTube channel. Every upload gives another chance to earn. Keep publishing. Step 3. Add affiliate marketing. Recommend tools you already use. Share your link. Earn commissions. Need quick cash first? Try AI training or user testing sites. Then reinvest your earnings. That's the roadmap. One skill, one client, one digital asset, one affiliate offer. Repeat. Start today. Your future self will thank you. Subscribe for more practical online income strategies.